Elon Musk cries after what Lucid Motors just did. Lucid Motors is one of the many businesses vying for attention in the competitive market for electric vehicles. The competition was fair for a while until the SEC started investigating Tesla. Lucid's revenue continues to rise, while that of Tesla falls. So how is Lucid tied to Tesla's fall? And why is Musk so troubled by Lucid Motors? Now, unlike many other startups that have floundered due to the high capital expenditures and production issues, the new California-based company has so far held its own against companies like Rivian. CEO Peter Rawlinson, on the other hand, has his sights set far higher, aiming at the bullseye, in this case, to take down Tesla. Lucid went public this year, delivered its first cars, and achieved a big EPA range milestone with its flagship vehicle. Peter Rawlinson, a former lead engineer of the Model S under Tesla CEO Elon Musk, is at the helm of Lucid. After 3 years at Tesla, he felt frustrated and confined in his work. Rawlinson is a trained mechanical engineer. But how is this important? And does it have anything to do with the SEC investigating Tesla? So he joined Lucid in 2013 as CTO and ascended through the ranks to become CEO in 2019. He's motivated to lead in a market where the other EV firms like Nikola, Lordstown, and Faraday Future have seen their fortunes rise and fall. Rawlinson's major goal was to beat Tesla and one-up his old boss. He stated that his goal was to create the greatest car in the world. Now, Lucid, along with Rivian, is largely regarded as Tesla's most potential competitor. The Lucid Air, the company's premier luxury sedan, is making its debut. The Dream Edition, priced at $169,000, has a 520-mile range. And in the future, the company hopes to release less pricey variants, and it's also working on an SUV called the Gravity. The Lucid Air, according to Insider, was everything that Tesla's Model S wasn't. It has a longer range of 115 miles and a different take on a minimalist cabin. As a result, many people thought the car and the firm was a strong contender. In recent months, Lucid has made a lot of news. It not only achieved an EPA mileage rating of 520 miles, but it also began to roll off assembly lines. The corporation stated that client deliveries commenced in October. Investors and industry professionals are generally positive about the company, claiming that it's well-built and a fantastic environment for aspiring entrepreneurs and engineers to begin their careers. Now, Lucid went public earlier this year via a reverse merger with a special-purpose acquisition company, following in the footsteps of several other EV firms. The company has a lot of success. The $4.5 billion contract with Churchill Capital IV was the largest SPAC deal in the industry's history, whereas some firms have actually struggled after going public via SPAC. Rawlinson has actually been very outspoken about his company's impending product and its potential to become a major player in the electric vehicle market. He summed up the company's efforts by saying that every component of the car is being rethought from the ground up. Design, engineering, and manufacturing are all part of the process. That's a big goal, but Rawlinson has never been one to back down from a challenge. However, it's fair to say that Lucid has lofty ambitions, and if it achieves them, the firm might outperform its current price. The company's technology, according to Rawlinson, was a driving element behind its eventual success. He doesn't mention Tesla by name, but he's clear about which firm he's criticizing. As investors look for the next Tesla, electric vehicle manufacturers have gotten a lot of attention. Now, Lucid being one of the companies that have shown utmost potential, investors are pouring so much into Lucid that it's caused Tesla shares to tank. Lucid Motors' first deliveries have shaken the faith of a number of Tesla investors. This delivery was the first opportunity for owners to view the vehicle in person, which came in a choice of interior and exterior colors, all of which could be customized via Lucid's online design studio, which began shortly after the vehicle's presentation late last year. Although only a few Lucid Air Dream Editions were delivered, the manufacturer is far from finished with a top-of-the-line version of its debut sedan. So far, Lucid has received over 13,000 bookings for the Air, but other models are currently being developed and improved. All this is bad news for Tesla because Lucid has notched out a market for itself and even taking along some Tesla funds with it. Now, to make it worse, according to Reuters, the Securities and Exchange Commission is investigating Tesla after a whistleblower revealed solar panel flaws. This occurred in the context of a New York Times article about Tesla's driver assist history. Elon Musk has responded to this, saying that it's part of the competitive strategies other EV manufacturers are using to scare off Tesla investors. Lucid Motors are next in line to gain from Tesla's fall. Experts say that the leak may have come from a top official who may be working or was working at Tesla for the SEC to take the matter so seriously. Now, there's only one guy with the muscle and capability to give such information to the SEC with the credibility required for them to take action. All fingers point to Lucid's Peter Rawlinson at the moment. No official communication has been given regarding this leak, so we'll have to wait to see what'll happen. So do you think Elon Musk has a reason enough to be alarmed about Lucid Motors? Let's talk about it in the comment section below. But that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.